Hello friends, this is Dr. Nancy from Dr. Nancy's Kingdom. I hope you are utilizing the corona period very effectively to study. Our topic for today is the Books and Authors 2020 for All Competitive Exams Part 4. Small Days and Nights, Tishani Doshi. A Suitable Boy, Vikram Seth. Hajar Chorashir Ma, Mahashweta Devi. Interpreter of Maldives, Jhumpa Lahiri. Kayar, Takkali Sivasankara Pillai. ಕಸಾಕಿಣಿತೆ ಇತಿಹಾಸ O.V. विजयन. कितने नवों में कितने बार, अजनेया. कृष्णकली, शिवानी. करुक्कु, फास्टिना बामा. कुडियोडिकल, वैलोपिली श्रीधर मेनन. मधुशाला, हरिवंश राय बच्चन. मरली मनिंगे, कोटा शिवराम करंत. नीलकांति ब्रोजा, इंदिरा गोस्वामी. परजा, गोपीनाथ मोहंती. परिमल, सूर्यकांत त्रिपाठी नेरल्ला. परबो पास्किम, सुनील गंगोपाध्याय. पदुमायुडे आडु, वैकोम मोहम्मद बाशीर. राग दरबारी, श्रीलाल शुक्ला. रंडमूलम, M.T. वासुदेवन. रसीदी टिकट, अमृता प्रीतम. सफ्तार आकाश, सीताकांत मोहपत्रा. समस्कारा, U.R. अनंतमूर्ति. Shadow Star India from Incredible to Unstoppable, Shobha De. Swami and Friends, R.K. Narayan. Tamas, Bisham Shani. Terhi Lakir, Ismat Chugtai. The Flight of Pigeons, Ruskin Bond. Tuklak, Girish Karnad. Zindagi Nama, Krishna Sobdi. Lajja, Taslima Nasreen. Why Socialism, Jayaprakash Narayan. One Straw Revolution, Masanobu Fukuoka. The Lives of Others, Neil Mukherjee. Friends and Foes, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Getting India Back on Track, Bapak Debroy and Ashley Tillis. Convenient Action, Narendra Modi. Philosophic Zoologic, Jean Baptiste Lamarck. The Diary of the Nation's Conscience Keeper, not just an accountant, Vinod Roy. The Red Fairy, Javier Moro. 5-Point Someone, Chetan Bhagat. One Indian Girl, Chetan Bhagat. The Three Mistakes of My Life, Chetan Bhagat. Two States, Chetan Bhagat. Revolution 2020, Chetan Bhagat. What Young India Wants, Chetan Bhagat. The Immortals of Meluva, Amish Tripathi. The Secret of the Nagas, Amish Tripathi. The Oath of the Vayuputras, Amish Tripathi. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, Robin Sharma. Sea of Poppies, Amitav Ghosh. The Circle of Reason, Amitabh Ghosh. The Shadow Lines, Amitabh Ghosh. The Calcutta Chromosome, Amitabh Ghosh. The Glass Palace, Amitabh Ghosh. Flood of Fire, Amitabh Ghosh. The Hungry Tide, Amitabh Ghosh. Countdown, Amitabh Ghosh. The Imam and the Indian, Amitabh Ghosh. Incendiary Circumstances, Amitabh Ghosh. Black Taj, Mohini Kent. In Custody, Anita Desai. Cry, the Peacock, Anita Desai. Voices in City, Anita Desai. The Peacock Garden, Anita Desai. Cat on a Houseboat, Anita Desai. Fire on the Mountain, Anita Desai. Games at Twilight, Anita Desai. Clear Light of Day, Anita Desai. The Zigzag Way, Anita Desai. Fasting, Feasting, Anita Desai. Journey to Ithaca, Anita Desai. The Inscrutable Americans, Anurag Mathur. 22 Days in India, The Itinerary Planner, Anurag Mathur. Popat Lal Bindi, Anurag Mathur. Last Man in Tower, Aravind Adiga. Sei Somoy, Sunil Gangopathyay. Prothom Alo, Sunil Gangopathyay. Biswas Abiswas, Asha Purna Devi. Chabibanda Sintak, Asha Purna Devi. Dvidiyo Advidiyo, Asha Purna Devi. A to Sedan, Asha Purna Devi. Pancha Nodit Tire, Asha Purna Devi. Sri Banga Anka, Asha Purna Devi. Stan Kalpatra, Asha Purna Devi. Chitrakalpa, Asha Purna Devi. Sandeeban Patshala, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Hansuli Bankar Upakata, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Pada Chinna, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Arokya Niketan, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Yogo Rashta, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Nishibatma, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Nagarik, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Abhinetri, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Faryad, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Mahanagari, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Bichitra, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Swarga Mato, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Datri Debata, Tara Sankar Bandyopatyay. Swati Natar Swat, Manik Bandyopatyay. Chandapattan, Manik Bandyopatyay. Pashapashi, Manik Bandyopatyay. Ichamati, Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopatyay. Ashani Sanket, Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopatyay. Sahib Bibi Golam, Bimal Mitra. Kori Diye Kinlam, Bimal Mitra. Mrityuhin, Bimal Mitra. Ikak Dasak Shatak, Bimal Mitra. Tunga Badrar Dire, Sharadintu Bandyopadhyay, Byomkesh Bakshi, Sharadintu Bandyopadhyay, The Illicit Happiness of Other People, Manu Joseph. That's it for today, guys. Now we'll see a Tirukural. Okay, we'll see a Tirukural in each and every video of ours. The first Tirukural is அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. அகர ஒலியே எல்லா எழுத்துகளுக்கும் முதல். அதுபோல் ஆதி பகவன் உலகில் உள்ள உயிர்கள் எல்லாவற்றிற்கும் முதல்வனாக இருக்கின்றான். Okay, let us see. Let us continue in part 5. Be safe. This is Dr. Nancy from Dr. Nancy's Kingdom signing off. Thank you and goodbye.